So guys, so today we're going to be installing my S-Sport sway bars for the LEXUS IS. Pretty nice. And we're going to be installing the rears, which is this one, and then these are going to be the fronts. So right now we're going to jack up the car. We got Frank, Tommy, William, and Alan here. Yeah.
Tony, bro, why your knees so dirty, man? You on your knees too much?
Yeah, I'm sucking your dick too much, that's why.
Oh, that's gonna get demonetized.
Who cares, man? You don't make money anyways.
Alright, go ahead, cutie.
Now we're gonna remove two bolts.
He's blushing, man.
Yeah, 2 bolts right here, that are 12s right here. And then you're gonna have to undo the end link right here. So 2 there, and then 2 right here. I already took out.
Alright. And then that shit should come off. Candid. Alright, Tonichiwa, what are we doing?
So right now we took out the old sway bar and we're putting in the new rubber mounts, or the rubber bushings right here on each side. So there's gonna be one right here, and then as well as the other side. And then we have new mounting, metal mounting points, I guess, to put in the sway bar.
Whoa. Your camera fell off the fucking thing, bro.
Oh shit. You good? Are you good? Are you good?
I'm good. What the fuck? How did it fall off, bro? I was just trying to film it like, oh.
Oh no. Content.
Damn, bro,
Content. Yeah, so basically got the new mounting points that we have to put in right here. Right there. And then we're gonna use new bolts that they gave us, the smaller ones, and then it's cute, like Alan said it's gonna hit the subframe if we use the old OEM bolts. See? It's gonna hit it. So make sure you reuse the new hardware they give you.
I mean, new hardware comes with the kit for a reason. It doesn't give you for nothing.
But don't forget it though, yeah. Don't be tired.
And then you just attach it back to the sway bar. Tony has adjustable end links, so you know the hardware is different than a regular OEM end link, but you know, it's a bolt and a nut, so not that hard to figure out. You got Mr. William over there working hard.
And then you said this goes in? Oh fuck. What happened, bro? You got caught.
No. You put one washer.
Sounds like what?
Smells like
bitch.
Man, fuck you, bro.
Yeah. This doesn't even go here.
Oh.
It's like this. This one goes in here, and then put that last washer in, and then put that bolt.
I don't even make it hella tight because you need to move it around.
Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna do the front sway bar here. First you gotta remove the skid plate. After you remove the skid plate, you have these 2 little covers here that are blocking the nuts and bolts, or nuts or bolts. And then once you remove the cover, take out these 2, and then there should be 2 more right here on the end link. And then that should be it.
Alright.
Oh yeah, so right now we're putting in the mounting brackets with the new hardware.
The new hardware with the new bolt. Oh, he got that on this side done already. So it just look like that after. Make sure you put new bushings in.
I'm starting to get tired, bro. I've been short.
Thoughts to the camera, what happened?
I'm short.
Tired?
No, I'm not 5'10", like I say.
Tiptoeing on these hoes. Yeah, look at his stance, man. I told him to make this shit shorter.
Yeah.
But he wants to work out, you know?
Fuck it.
Wait, mechanics have to do this 10 hours, 8 hours a day, man. Now you appreciate them, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, give props out to Calvin, bro.
Oh yeah.
Shout out.
Real mechanic, wherever he went.
Oh, and they got a tight.
My arms are tired holding this fucking camera, man. Respect to all those cameramen out there, all those YouTubers, man. If I got paid $100,000 a year, I would fucking hold this camera all day.
Bro, it doesn't look like there's a difference, dude.
Maybe 2 mils.
Oh yeah,
It looks the same.
Nah, it's like 2 millimeter.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna be doing the same thing as the rear. So look at the 2 bolts right here. They're probably 12s again, I believe. I'm not too sure.
17.
17s.
No, this one. Oh, these are 16s.
16s?
Should be 14, 16.
So like again,
what was it again?
The
14.
rears, we're gonna be taking out 2 bolts right here, 2 on that side, and then taking out the end links right here. And just repeat the process, okay?
Hella easy.
Oh, easy. Should be like 15-20 minute job, but
even on the floor, man, it's easy.
We're lucky, we're blessed.
Alright, so you wanna get a flathead, and you wanna pry it in here to remove this old bushing. And then
You want to reuse the old mounts.
Yep, you want to
The fronts
transfer.
didn't come with new ones, so you want to reuse the old ones.
You want to transfer this mount to the new sway bar bushings.
Damn.
See, it goes right here. Look at that.
Wow.
That's pretty much
Smart.
This guy, man. Jiffy Lube certified.
Bro, look at that shower.
Hey, what you saying? It's trying to get close up. Acne check, man.
Bro. Oh, man.
Pretty sure it's like that.
Two Lexus boys, man, working together. Unite as one, stoppable as a unit.
Right there, yeah.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Shit, let's go make this.
That's when I get
money.
you copyrighted.
Come on, man.
I'm gonna put it in the.
It fits. It fits. It sits. Right?
Let me see how these guys did it. You're gonna go against William right now. See who did it right.
She be waiting all day long. No, I got dedicate, but I'll be right back home. And it won't be long, cause she's one new thing she can talk about. And I'm always.
All right, YouTube. We just finished the install. We got it off the lift, and we about to go take it for a little spin around the block. We're gonna see how much of a difference it makes. Hey, $600, man. Better make a damn difference. Our fucking Lexus scammed us. Let's see it. Alright. See how much of a difference this thing makes. Damn, who the fuck's this so straight up in this chair, man? Worst roads in San Francisco, right over here, man. Fuck, man.
Oh, shit. Ah. Oh, fuck.
Never take your low car here, man.
Oh, yeah.
We need to petition the city to fix the street outside Common Shop. Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Fucking finally.
Please, bro. Please.
Cameras on you, man. Live reactions right now.
Oh, shit. Oh, okay, yeah.
How big of a difference did it? How much of a difference does it make to get F-Sport sway bars?
I'd say like 50%, because there's definitely, you know, still point roll, but it does take out a decent amount.
You say it's worth it though? How much was it? 600?
It was like 600, maybe if just for the rears. I don't know about the fronts.
Just the rears?
Yeah.
The only way to test it, we go with side. We'll film it when he gets the new tires. We'll go with side, and he can actually tell if it's a difference. Cause
All right, I'll let you guys know next time, but.
look at his face.
Driver mod. Look at his
You know I'm gon' blast off in a Bentley truckin', I be going so fast. I don't care, bloody bottles like a demon. Put some VVs on my neck and now I'm freezing. Yeah, I'm freezing. You know I'm gon' blast off in a Bentley truckin', I be